get me, you can't take me down. You run up on me like a tree, chop you down. Ain't no patch up in the dark, but he ran. I send the red bullets and they hit, they go bam. Doing no something, I'm wearing that pico. When they not, make sure you look at that peephole. Host on the block with them chops and we boil cause we keep those. Clip curve like them Fritos. Swear on the block like you tipsy, you drunk, you full. Clothes on, play when the beat shit. Better have your sneaks on, you feel me? Run. Go, Glock. I'm bossing. Glock 22 Gen 4 40. It's a police trade-in. Came in with the nice sights, everything clear. .115 round clip. I got a full of F&J right now. Came with 4 back scraps. I lost one of the pins that came with it. Just got it yesterday. It came with the I forget what the thing called. Mag loader, whatever it is. I don't use it. Yeah, if you girl head to the range, see how the thing shoot. 40. Boy, parlay with the photo. And we at it with the first video out here at the range. Finna get the first shots out these beats. And we got some other shit set up. My boy, J-Bo with the 9.
With the 9, got the 9 on it.
Yeah. Go follow my boy.
Okay.
We finna let y'all see how these bitches slide.
Okay.
First shots at the 40. It's CBD too.
Damn.
Hit that bitch out 3 times while I'm falling.
God.
You gotta get the impact.
God.
There's 3 shots. Got them up while I'm falling. It's CBD too. Yeah, big powder. Glock 22. Powder boy. Gen 4. Finna dump that bitch.
Bitch, do.
Yeah, nah. God.